If you're setting up AtmosFX Hollusion projections for Halloween, you don't need to buy any expensive special projection screens such as the one on AtmosFX's website. With a little creativity, you can achieve the same ghostly, floating in thin air effect for just over $10. One of the best and cheapest options is using everyday household materials like a sheer curtain panel or a fabric shower liner. Both are thin and translucent enough to let projected images shine through. You can easily find these materials at Walmart or similar stores for around $13 or less. Between the two, I prefer the sheer curtain panel, especially in gray. The gray tint blends in much more naturally at night, making it harder to see the screen and enhancing the illusion of floating ghosts. To set it up, simply hang the fabric where you want the projection to appear. Whether across a doorway, between trees, or inside your window or front door, make sure it's pulled tight to avoid wrinkles and allow for a clear, crisp image. With this DIY approach, you'll have the same professional-looking Hollusion display without breaking the bank and spend the money on other spooky decorations. Happy Halloween!